Hi family, welcome back to my channel. This is where we take Dollar Tree finds and we do some DIYs. So let's get gluing. So let's see what we're going to be making today. So today we are going to make some Easter DIYs using things that we found at the Dollar Tree. So what we're going to do is we are going to make some mini egg topiaries. So I picked up some of these little clay pots from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to paint them white. I'm actually loving these little clay pots that the Dollar Tree is selling currently right now. I actually ended up buying like 10, 12 of them because we are going to post another DIY using these clay pots next week, and I think it's going to be a really good one. But let's get started with these ones and get them painted. I love these little sponge type paintbrushes. So this is what I used one of these in my last video, the one where I did the St. Patty's Day DIY, and I'm going to use it again to do this Easter one. One's done. I'm not looking for perfection on that. I still want some of the clay color to show. So now that our clay pots are painted and they're dry, we are going to build our egg topiaries. I have some floral foam that I found way back in my craft closet, and I'm going to be using this. But you can pick up foam at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to break some of the foam off to put down in our clay pot. We're going to hot glue it and put it down in the clay pot, and that's what we're going to stick our topiaries in. Going to take these wooden dowels that I have. You can pick up some wooden dowels at the Dollar Tree, and this is what we're going to use to build our topiaries. I'm going to use 3 different size eggs. So let's get out the eggs. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your actually going to fill it, instead of using like a kind of moss, I'm going to use Easter egg grass. Everybody's always wondering what they should do with their Easter egg grass. You should make cute topiaries. It isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder. There you have it. Our first little egg topiary, all ready for Easter. So this was the one that we just finished. I'm going to do this one just a bit different. I'm going to take some twine and I'm going to wrap it around just the top piece of this pot to give it a little bit of a different look. So now that our clay pot is all wrapped in twine, we are going to build our egg topiaries while the hot glue dries. The start our second craft for our Easter DIY. So we're gonna make a kind of like Easter egg nest. So we picked up some like hay from the Dollar Tree, and this is what we're gonna use to have our base for our nest. Okay, we're gonna use these 2 candle holders here, and these ones you can pick up at the Dollar Tree also. And we're just gonna kind of build like a nest around it. Now before I glue anything in, I'm gonna kind of set it up to see where I want each piece to go, and then I'm gonna glue the pieces into the nest. So we are gonna use the leftover eggs from the egg topiary craft that we just did. I picked pink and blue, and I know there was also a golden egg that was left over, but I wanted to stick to some color. Some little carrots, little wooden balls that are in the garden section at the Dollar Tree. We're gonna add a cute little bunny that I picked up in the Dollar Tree. Cute. Way to go. Here is our finished egg nest. Doesn't it look so cute with the topiaries that we just made? I can't wait to decorate my house for Easter. I hope you enjoyed this Easter DIY. If you did, you can gently press the like button for me. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. If you want to see what goes on in my daily life or where I get my inspiration from, you can check out my Instagram and my Pinterest account. I'll put the links in the description below. I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye!